In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Slack with Notion step by step so you can connect your team communication with your workspace and stay productive without constantly switching apps. This integration lets you share Notion pages directly into Slack, get updates, and keep everyone on the same page in real time. If you're using Slack for communication and Notion for documentation, this setup is a must. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your Slack homepage. Make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want to add Notion. Once Slack is open, look at the left sidebar and click on the More option. This is where Slack hides additional features and settings that aren't shown by default. After clicking More, find and click on Tools. Inside the Tools menu, select Apps. This will open the Slack app directory, where you can browse and install integrations that work directly inside your workspace. Now that you're in the Apps section, go to the search bar and type in Notion. Slack will display the official Notion app in the results. Make sure you select the official app to ensure everything works securely and correctly. Next to the Notion app, click on Install. Slack will then redirect you to the app installation page. From here, click on Add to Slack. At this point, Slack may ask you to confirm permissions. These permissions allow Notion to post messages, previews, and updates inside Slack channels. Review them carefully and then approve the integration. Once the app finishes loading, Notion will be successfully added to your Slack workspace. From now on, you can paste Notion links into Slack to generate previews, connect specific pages to channels, and receive notifications when changes are made. This makes collaboration much smoother, especially for teams managing projects, documentation, or shared knowledge bases. To test the integration, try pasting a Notion page link into a Slack channel. You should see a rich preview appear, confirming that the integration is working correctly. You can also customize notification settings later to control what updates are shared and where they appear. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Slack with Notion and unlocked a powerful workflow for your team. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and up-to-date software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.